We are so excited to see what Klehm has planned for 2021. Whatever the future brings, we know this organization will continue to adapt and be a great resource for the Rockford community and the whole region. We could not be happier to continue to support Klehm with their efforts.
We have big plans for Klehm in 2021 and beyond. Our planning committee has worked all year with professionals to develop several new concept designs for highly visible garden and landscape spaces, and let me tell you, they are really something. It's important that as an arboretum and botanic garden, we keep growing, keep shining, and promoting education and being outdoors. We have also pursued several grant opportunities for things like smartphone-based tours that are going to help take us into the future, and we could not be more excited.
Klehm is in an extraordinary position to take the next step in the year 2021 by serving more visitors and groups in exciting new ways. I really can't wait to take a look back at 2021 because it's going to be truly remarkable to see what we have accomplished.
It's really great to be a volunteer with an organization that is growing, moving, and really getting things done. I think that 2021 is going to be a very special year for Klehm.
In 2021, we plan to grow our community partnerships to establish new programs that will help even more children, students, and families experience all the wonders that Klehm has to offer. We also have plans to perform a major tree planting initiative in 2021 to transplant the many unique and special trees in our on-site nursery to their new homes throughout our grounds and gardens. This project will be possible thanks to the contributions of donors during our Giving Tuesday campaign last year. By continuing to grow and enhance not only our grounds and gardens, but our programs and activities as well, we are excited about what the future holds for Klehm in 2021. We hope you'll join us for what will be a successful year ahead.